Yeah, so I was saying कि ये नया सबसेट मिलेगा. So the next state to be processed will be these three states. तो जैसे हमने यूनियन करके दो स्टेट्स में निकाला था, सिमिलरली यहाँ पे हम यूनियन ऑपरेशन यूज करके तीनों स्टेट्स का कंबाइन करके द न्यू सबसेट वी गेट, वी विल बी एनालाइजिंग दैट. So considering this Q0, Q1 and Q2 state, and input 0 will cause it to move in the same state. How? See, Q0, Q1 and Q2 are considered for an input 0. So हमने previous table में देखा था कि अगर Q0 पे an input 0 आता है, so it is leading us to Q2 state. Similarly, if you want you can do it separately, or if you want you can just consider this Q0, Q1 together and Q2 is separately, क्योंकि ये state अपने पास already available है over here. See, Q0, Q1 state is available, Q0, Q2 state is available. So if you want you can do it individually, but if you take it all together you will get that state directly, so you don't have to process it longer. So यहाँ पे इसके लिए ऐसे combine किया है, Q0, Q1 को एक single state consider किया है because we have taken it over here as a single state to be processing. So it says Q0, Q1 पे input is 0, it is going to Q2 state, so we have Q2, and Q2 पे 0, Q2 पे 0 is giving us Q0 state. So it is Q2 union Q1 Q0. Sorry, Q2 पे 0 is Q0 Q1. Correct. Over here. My mistake. See, I'll show it again. Q0 Q1 पे 0 आता है. Q0 Q1 पे and input 0 is causing it to move to Q2 state. So it is Q2. And Q2 पे 0 आता है. So this is Q2 and 0 input is causing it to go to Q0 Q1 state. So Q0 Q1. So when you combine this union operation say, you get that same state Q0 Q1 and Q2, which means an input 0 on this state is getting back itself on that state. Similarly, the one successor of Q0 Q1. So again यहाँ पे Q0 Q1 को combine करो, and input 1 in Q0 Q1 state is causing it to go in Q0 Q2, and input 1 in Q2 state is causing it to go in Q0. One second. Yeah, here. And input 1 in Q0 Q1 is making it to move Q0 Q2, and input 1 in Q2 is making it to go Q0 Q2. So इसका combine किया तो Q0 and Q2 ही आएगा, क्योंकि Q0 Q0 common है. So the union operation will get it only Q0 and Q2. So if you see, ये state already process हो चुका है. We have got it in a repeated manner. This is the new state what we explore. So next analysis will be done on this state because ये अभी तक explore नहीं हुआ है. तो ये रहे previous transition tables. Q0 से start किया था, then we got Q2, then we got Q0 Q1, then we got Q0 Q2, and then we got Q0 Q1 Q2. Sorry, my mistake again. Q0 Q2 has been explored already. So ये जो diagram है accordingly करना है. Q0 Q2 पे 0 आया तो this over this. So after this we see that ये जितने भी subsets हमें मिले हैं Q0 Q1 Q2, so that is over here, that has been explored. Q0 Q2 that has also been explored. Now since there are no new subsets generated, ऐसा कोई भी state generate नहीं हुआ है जो process नहीं हुआ है, that means we have to stop our processing, we have to stop our analysis. So कोई भी नया subset generate अभी नहीं होगा. So this is the final state. So once we get this, now original DFA if you see over here, starting diagram में ओरिजिनल एनएफए में जो दिया था उसमें Q2 was supposed to be the final state. तो जब भी हम ये सबसेट जनरेशन कर रहे हैं, सबसेट जनरेशन ने will consider all the states as final states which is having Q2 in it. जो जो states में Q2 involve है वो सब final states में आएंगे because original NFA में Q2 is the final state. So Q0 Q2 में Q2 है, so it again becomes final state. यहाँ पे भी Q2 है, तो this also becomes final state. So this is the final DFA which is मतलब which is what we say obtained from अपना NFA given. So these are the steps which you have to follow for the given NFA to DFA conversions. So ये रहे final transition table. Initial state mark करोगे, Q2 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 है, so this will be the final stage and अपना table. So make sure you practice this sums well. Even if it is given in the video, I would request you to solve the same sums, solved, unsolved both. Practice it, only then the things will be very clear. and if any doubts in this, please let me know.